Hi, this is Jack from Carl's Buick GMC. I just wanted to take a video of the 2016 Buick Cascada. As you see, it's an absolutely beautiful vehicle. It's real nice rims. The car is just fantastic. You do have seating in the back here. Beautiful leather interior, power seat. Of course, you have the cruise control, Bluetooth for the phone, OnStar, heated front seats, backup camera. Let's see if you can see that here. I know it's a little sunny out here, a lot of reflection. Like I said, beautiful seats. The roof is all power, nothing to lock or unlock, as you see. I'll go ahead and put it up here for you. It's all automatic. Trunk, everything closes. You really don't have to do anything, and then you can put up your windows. Again, this is Jack from Carl's Buick GMC. Just wanted to send you a video here of the Cascada. I hope it helped out. If you do have any questions or like to schedule a test drive, please give me a call at 772-287-2424. I'd be more than happy to help you out. Thank you.